Hey friends, Ashley here with a very quick flip through of my 2021 Light the Path album. I'm going to quickly run through the kit designers for each month. There are some early art journal pages that weren't part of the project, also in my album. We're going to jump in here with January's kit designed by Neftali Zambrano of All the Neffiness. Then we have February's kit designed by Tracy Reed. And then March was designed by Megan Johnson, the Practical Scrapper. I really enjoyed using this particular kit. And then April was designed by Neftali again. May was designed by Allison Pennington. This is June for Mandy Ford Art. Into July for Tracy Reed. August again was Allison Pennington, and same with September. I also added some Cocoa Daisy stickers and embellishments into September, but mostly Allison. And then October, a couple more Cocoa Daisy embellishments to pair with the kit designed by Mandy Ford Art. And then November, we have another kit by Neftali Zambrano for All the Neffiness, ending with the December kit designed by Allison Pennington. I hope you enjoyed this quick flip through, seeing how my whole album came together. Again, check out Teresa's blog for more details. Bye.